Hey, it's Brandon from Cointelli. In this video, we're going to look at the third step of the manual review feature called classify transfers. So this step is important because the exchanges don't always give us all the required information to categorize your incoming and outgoing transactions. So therefore, we don't recognize them, and you need to go in and manually categorize them. So for example, in here, we have an incoming Litecoin transaction into Exodus. And so you can look at you can remember, oh, that was that. Maybe it was an airdrop, okay, and then you can save that. And then you had an outgoing transaction from Exodus here of Litecoin. You can remember, yeah, that was, I made a donation, right? So then you can just go in and just manually do it and then save. And just like that, you can update your report and get the most accurate report possible. So those are the 3 steps of the manual review feature. And if you follow these 3 steps, then you will have an accurate crypto tax report every single time. I hope this video is helpful to you. If you want some more great and the most updated crypto tax content, please like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one. Thank you.